India-Japan Memorandum of Understanding signed for academic and research cooperation. According to the Memorandum of Understanding signed, the NARL and the RISH will continue their cooperation in the areas of technology, atmospheric science, collaborative scientific experiments, and other related modeling studies. They will exchange scientific materials, information, publications, students, faculty members, and researchers. FIFA suspends Pakistan and Chad football federations. FIFA has suspended the Pakistan Football Federation and Chadian Football Association with immediate effect due to claims of outside interference. The suspension will be lifted once the relevant government decisions have been repealed. RBI to release Financial Inclusion Index (FI) index annually. The Reserve Bank of India has announced that it will periodically publish a Financial Inclusion Index annually in July for the financial year ending previous March. The FI index would be based on multiple parameters and shall reflect the broadening and deepening of financial inclusion in the country. Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank launched MyNEP 2020 platform of NCTE web portal. Union Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank has launched the MyNEP 2020 platform of National Council for Teacher Education web portal, which will be operational from April 1 to May 15, 2021. The platform seeks to invite suggestions, inputs, membership from the stakeholders for preparing a draft for the development of national professional standards for teachers and a national mission for mentoring program membership. INS Sarveksha joint hydrographic survey in Mauritius. The INS Sarveksha is on a deployment to Mauritius for undertaking hydrographic surveys along with Mauritius. It will also provide training to the Mauritian personnel on advanced hydrographic equipment and practices during the deployment. S. Raman, new chairman and managing director of SIDBI. The Government of India recently appointed S. Raman as the chairman and managing director of Small Industries and Development Bank of India. The appointment is for a period of 3 years. The name of the new chairman and managing director was recommended by Bank's Board Bureau. Jordan crisis. Jordan is a unitary state that is ruled under a constitutional monarchy. The former crown prince Hamza was recently placed under de facto house arrest. He is the half brother of King Abdullah. Hamza was accused of undermining national security. This was because he attended the meetings with the tribal leaders that openly criticized the ruling monarch. According to Jordanian government, there had been an attempt for a political coup to destabilize the country. The government also says that foreign entities also attended the meeting. GSAP 1.0. The Reserve Bank of India recently announced a government security acquisition program GSAP 1.0. Under the program, the central bank will purchase government bonds of worth rupees 1 trillion, and the first purchase of rupees 25,000 crore is to be made on April 15, 2021. Government securities are debt instruments that are issued by Government of India to borrow money. There are two types, namely short-term instruments that mature in 91 days and long-term instruments that mature anywhere between 5 years and 40 years. Consumer Confidence Index. The Reserve Bank of India recently released the report of Consumer Confidence Survey. The Consumer Confidence Index declined from 55.5 points in January 2021 to 53.1 points in March 2021. The survey measures consumer perception on 5 economic variables such as employment, economic situation, price level, spending, and income. So that's all about today's current affairs. Please subscribe our channel for more current affair videos. Thank you.